how to add disclaimer in HubSpot emails. So first, go to your HubSpot account, and then you can just click on marketing here at the left side, and then click on email here. Okay, now once you're here, you can just click on create an email, or you can just select one of your existing emails here. So let's just say I'm going to select my existing email here. Now if you want to add a disclaimer, you can just click on, where is it? Click on this one, drag the text here, this text module here at the bottom. Okay. Now here, you can just add your text here. Let's say I'm going to add, this email is something blah blah blah, something like that. Just add your disclaimer here. Now once you're done adding your disclaimer, you can just preview it to see what it looks like. Okay, so you can see your disclaimer will show here, okay, at the bottom. Okay, now once you've done that, you can just click send this email to someone that you're going to send it to, and you're done. Okay, so that's it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one.